Hey world, across the globe, poor sanitation and careless cleaning culture are choking ecosystems, polluting our environments, and threatening human health. As part of our course, W212 Leadership in Action, under Dr. Stella Miabako, Group 6 and 12 have joined forces as an 18-student team to launch Project CleanStride. This is a global awareness campaign rooted in United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 6, and we're using our campus as the ultimate micro-testing ground to build a blueprint for change.
We didn't just talk about the problem. We grabbed sweeping brooms and industrial waste bags to prove that immediate action shifts human behavior. Our 4 sub-teams deployed across different target zones, specifically the stadium, the colleges, and the family hall. By permanently installing waste bins, we proved that when you provide the communities with the right infrastructure, you instantly cultivate a mindset of environmental accountability.
When a community lacks proper disposal and recycling cultures, acute trash accumulation destroys shared spaces. But our research is there to prove that the global population wants to change. Looking at our initial data and sample, 57.1% recognizes that poor trash accumulation is a critical issue. 94.9% are willing to change their daily habits through better awareness. And a powerful 100% agree we hold a collective responsibility of keeping our environment.
The consequences of inactions are devastating, but the value of adopting the culture of sanitation and recycling is a healthy and sustainable world. Whether you are on a university campus or anywhere in the world, true change begins with your individual attitude. Value your environment, use recycling bins, respect your shared spaces, and let's keep striding towards a cleaner world.